Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope that everybody is doing good and staying sane during this crazy time. What better way to keep yourself busy than to learn an easy recipe? So today I will be showing you guys how I make stuffed bell peppers. So the ingredients you're going to need today are 2 to 4 red and green bell peppers, depending on how many people you are cooking for. 1 pound of ground turkey, or you can substitute it with beef if you like. 1 can of corn, a can of El Pato sauce, 1 can of black beans, white rice, butter, cheese, garlic salt, pepper, and chicken bouillon. I went ahead and washed my veggies and rice off camera. Now I'm going to begin making my rice. So I added 1 cup of rice. Now I'm going to add my cup of water. I'm adding about a half a tablespoon of butter. Now I'm going to add my chicken bouillon. I'm doing about a half a tablespoon, or a little less. Now I'm doing my pepper and a little bit of salt. And now I'm going to put this in my rice cooker and turn it to cook. Now that the rice is cooking, make sure to preheat your oven to 350. So now I'm going to begin cutting my bell peppers. Now you should have these little bowls so you can fill with stuffing. So now that the rice is cooking, I'm going to begin cooking my meat. I'm going to be setting my stove to medium heat. Then I'm going to be adding some olive oil. Now I'm going to let that heat up a bit. I'm going to add my ground turkey. I'm going to be adding in some garlic salt. And some pepper. So you're going to continue cooking the meat until it turns brown. Now I'm going to be adding a half a can of my El Pato sauce. Then I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water. Now I'm going to mix it. And I'm going to add some more water. And I'm going to turn up the heat until it gets to a boil. I'm going to start adding in my corn, black beans, and white rice. Actually, I'm going to be adding in a half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon before I do that. Here goes my corn. my black beans. Now I'm going to be adding in my white rice. Now I'm just going to mix it all together. Very full. Now I'm going to let that cook together a little bit and put the cap on. Once the stuffing for the bell peppers is done, it's going to look like this. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on the bell peppers. Okay. Now I'm going to start adding everything. And now you cannot forget this part. I'm going to add some water at the bottom so it makes my bell peppers softer when I eat them. We don't want to put too much. So now I'm going to put a piece of foil on top. And I'm going to set this in the oven for 30 minutes. I'll be back to check this in 30 minutes. So because there is a lot left over, for those of you that don't like bell peppers, you can enjoy it in a bowl.
A few moments later.
So now that this has been cooking for 30 minutes, I'm going to take the foil off. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. So now I'm going to put this back in the oven for 15 to 20 more minutes until the cheese gets a little bit more crisp.
"15 minutes later."
Okay, so now Okay, so now it's time for the taste test. Oh, it's so hot. It's so hot. So good. So good. So I went ahead and added sour cream on the top, and sometimes I like to add some tapatio, but that's your choice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys have any suggestions of video ideas. Say hello, whatever you like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time.